Welcome to the meditation of abundance and opportunities. Before starting this practice, light a candle or sit beside a fire if possible. You may begin seated or lying down. Shoulders softened, hands rested easily. Close the eyes or lower the gaze. Take 3 slow deep breaths through the nose and exhale fully through the mouth. Together, breathing in, calm. Breathing out, letting go. Inhale, calm. Exhale, letting go. Calm. Releasing. Going back to normal breathing in and out through the nose. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present, more grounded. Now, imagine yourself standing beneath the warm summer sun. Its golden light surrounds you, embracing you with warmth, vitality, and life. You can feel the energy of summer all around you. The season of expansion, growth, creativity, and possibility. This is the season of the fire element, the energy that transforms and illuminates, the energy that turns potential into reality. Bring your awareness to the center of your body, just above your navel. This is your solar plexus chakra, the seat of your personal power, confidence, purpose, and self-worth. Imagine a radiant golden sun glowing within this space. At first, it shines softly. With every breath, it grows brighter, warmer, more radiant. Feel this inner sun awakening. Feel it reminding you of who you truly are. A powerful, wise, creative being capable of transformation. Now, notice any old patterns, beliefs, fears, or limitations that may still be lingering within you. Perhaps they appear as shadows, heavy stones, old stories, or tangled vines. Without judgment, simply observe them. These patterns once served a purpose. They helped us survive. They helped us learn. And now they are ready to be released. See your inner sun becoming brighter and stronger. Its healing fire gently touches each old pattern, not with force nor resistance, but with compassion and understanding. As the light reaches them, they begin to dissolve. Old fears melt away. Self-doubt softens. Scarcity transforms into trust. Limitation transforms into possibility. The past releases its grip. You no longer need to repeat the old story. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let go. Release what is complete and heavy. Release what no longer aligns with gratitude. Like an old shirt that once protected your skin, yet no longer fits and is ready to be recycled, making space for the new. Now, feel the space that has been created within you. Open, expansive, alive. Into this greater capacity, this space. Invite the energies of abundance, opportunity, joy, and love. See them as streams of golden and pink light flowing into your solar plexus. Abundance fills every cell of your body. Opportunities appear with ease and grace. Joy dances through your heart. Love radiates from within and surrounds you completely. You are worthy of receiving. You are worthy of thriving. You are worthy of experiencing beauty, connection, success, and fulfillment. Feel your inner sun shining brilliantly now. Its light extends beyond your body, beyond the room, beyond any perceived limitations. You are connected to the infinite abundance of life itself. Silently repeat, I release the old with gratitude. I welcome transformation with trust. I embody confidence and personal power. I am open to abundance and opportunity. I choose joy. I choose love. I choose wholeness. Take a few moments to rest in this energy. Allow it to settle deeply into your being. Know that the fire of transformation continues to burn within you, guiding you forward with clarity, courage, and purpose. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the surface beneath you. Gently move the fingers and toes, and slowly open the eyes. May you carry this summer fire within you, radiant, empowered, open to all the abundance, opportunities, joy, and love that await you. Let us at Bliss as our default.